Hi everyone and welcome to CryptoGems. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to hear about an incredible competition called KCGI, which is actually hosted by one of the most advanced trading platforms of the crypto world called Bitget. So make sure that if you want to learn how you can actually take part of this competition, whether if you're a part of a team or doing it alone, and actually winning rewards and take part of this competition, that is prize pool is 200 Bitcoins. So make sure to watch all this video till the end in order to understand how you can actually maximize your chances to win this competition, and also how you can win more rewards by taking part of this competition, even if you're in a low budget. Please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so welcome to Bitget, which is actually one of the most advanced trading platform for crypto in the world. And actually one of the beautiful things in this platform is that actually they have competition that you can actually take part, or as an individual or in a team. There is a prize pool of over 200 Bitcoins. If you want to actually get started, you can actually click on KCGI, which is actually the King's Cup Global Invitational. And it's actually a biannual global crypto futures trading competition that is hosted by Bitget. KCGI consists of two competing formats. As I said, team battles and individual competitions. You can choose, or you can join professional traders around the world to test your might on the virtual trading floor. And if you want to enjoy the ride along the way, you can actually participate in the park zone and win attractive rewards. Now, the rewards, by the way, are literally incredible, okay? You don't need a lot to actually start. Like, for example, you can actually get a reward of 100 theta. Now, there are rewards on early bird benefits of individuals of 20 theta. There are early bird benefits captions for 50 theta for people that actually they will receive 50 USDT trial funds for future prior to the contest. And this reward is limited to 300 people on the first come, so first served basis. If you want to get started with this competition, make sure to go to bitget.com by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to take part of this competition. By the way, there is also a reward for a deposit of 100 USDT for each participant if they are with a collective trading volume of no less than 100,000 USDT during the competition, and they can actually claim 5% of their net deposit made within the period in the form of the trial fund at the end of the competition, which is absolutely incredible. And in a few minutes you'll actually understand about the rules and how you can do it legally and do it as best as possible. And also there's the lucky lottery. Actually, for every 100,000 USDT traded during the competition, there will be one entry for the prize draw with a maximum of 5 entries. And as you can see, there are very lucrative rewards up in here that you can actually take part. Also in here you will be able to see the reward board when it will get started. In order to actually become an individual competitor, you can actually click in here and to actually go through the process. And as you can see, there is a prize pool of 100 BTC. There is a secret lab chair and also LG Standby Me TV. You'll be able to see a list, and as you can see, updated every 5 minutes. So if you see one of your friends, it will be great. And also there are individual competition rankings. Okay, so there's ranking by profit and also PL ratio ranking. Now in here you will be able to see the prize pool distribution with divided percentage, and also you can actually see how the pool size actually divided by the number of participants in here. And also you can see the competition rules. So in order to get started, as I said, you don't need to have a big budget. Like, you can actually get started with 300 USDT in your future account at the time of the application. This is one of the requirements actually. Registration period, as you can see in here, was from the 9th of May to the 20th of May, but actually it's extended to the 24th of May. So if you want to actually get started and you're watching this video before the 24th, make sure to jump here if you want by clicking the link down below. And also if you will click the link down below, You will be able to actually enjoy extra 15% trading fees for Crypto Gems community only. So make sure to click in this link below in order to enjoy this incredible benefit. Also, the top 20 actually deposit a trade at once will receive 15 free USDT giveaways, and also people who deposit over 1000 USDT will receive 50 free USDT on giveaways, which is actually incredible. Now, if you want to sign up and to be part as a team, so you can actually click in here and you will be able to see that you're taking a part in a team battle. So if you want to become a captain or join a team, make sure that you will click in here, and then you will be able to create a team right here after you log in, and I will show you in a minute how you can actually sign up. Now, in order to actually see the different ratings, you can actually see, and you can see all the divisions. So you have English, Japanese, South Korea, and Turkish, and Latin American, and much more. Now, make sure that you are from the allowed countries, or in other words, make sure, and you will be able to see in the disclaimer, that there are countries and regions that are actually unable to participate in the competition due to local compliance requirements. Before you're actually starting here, make sure that you're not from this locations. If you actually be one of them, and by the way, there are a lot of other rules that you need to make sure that you're following. Like, for example, you need to make sure that you're not using any trading strategy that others are using, because you will be disqualified. And also, if you will open and cancel orders frequently within minutes, so you will also be disqualified. So make sure that you're following the rules. So there is no multi-account operations or self trades, because you will get disqualified and you want to actually win the rewards. So make sure that you actually doing as the rules telling us, in order that you'll be able to enjoy the benefits and to increase your chances to win the rewards that actually you will be able to distribute to your Bitget account within 10 working days from when the competition ends. The rewards, by the way, will be available for direct withdrawal, so you don't need to worry about that. If you will have any questions, make sure that you will also go to their support. That way you will be able to understand more in details. When you will actually sign up, after that, when you click on my, so you will actually be able to log in and operate. Now, if you want to learn, by the way, much more about the rewards and also about this competition, as I said earlier, make sure to go by clicking the link down below to this website, and you will be able to learn. Now, in order to sign up, you need to click in here on sign up, and the process is very simple. So you fill in your details. So I'm going to fill in the details, and then we'll continue. And then after you fill in the details and you set a password, make sure that you're actually scrolling down a bit, and you will be able to see the first deposit bonus that you will get, and also the $3 complete KYC verification, and then you will be able to get actually a $3 coupon. And also you will be able to see about your first copy trade, which is actually a way that I will show you in a few minutes how you can actually use it, and that way to learn from the best of the best, and that way to increase your chances and to develop your own strategy to make as much money as possible on trading. And also there is in here the first trade reward that you can actually get in a coupon for both USDTM futures and actually CoinM futures. Now you actually click on sign up, and then you go through a verification process. So they want to make sure that you're not a robot or something, so I'll do that. And then after that, you will actually be able to get started. Okay, so you actually do that, okay, and make sure that you're doing it rightfully. And then you will actually get to your phone a verification code. You need to fill it in here, and then you will click on complete registration. So I will do that, and I will come back, and then they will say congrats, and then you will be able to actually log in. When you will click in here on the KCGI competition, so you will be able to click on my, and then actually you will be able to start to sign up, or as an individual or as a team battle member, or also a captain in the team battle. And so let's take, for example, to join the individual competition. So you click in here, make sure that you deposit, and then when you click on deposit, so you'll be able to fill in here, and actually you deposit in here. So you click on deposit, and then you will be able to actually deposit in here the token that is needed, which is actually USDT, and then you will be able to join. And then when you will have multiple deposits, so you will be able to see the history right in here. then you will be able to actually take part of this incredible competition. Now, bonus about Bitget. So as you can see, they have referral program in here. So make sure that you can share this with your friends, and that way you will be able to earn up to 2,000 USDT, because you will be able to earn 30% commission on every trade that your friends are making. Now about the copy trade, so you can actually click in here, then you will be able to actually learn about the different ways that you can actually see different traders, whether it's based on ranking, followers, ROI, and stuff like that. So let's click on ROI, for example, and then you can see that Dr. James Bond, for example, made a lot of money in here. So you can actually click in him, then you will be able to see actually details about his orders, understand or think about his strategy, and that way to maximize your strategy and to improve it, and hopefully to make it more profitable to you, and then you will be able to make as much money as possible. Now your assets you will be able to see by clicking in here, then you will be able to also see it in USDT. Currently I didn't transfer yet anything because I just created a new account, but as you can see in here, it's very simple to get started. I show you, it takes a few minutes. Now about the KCGI competition, make sure that you're reading about all the details before you're getting started. And also, in order to, as I said earlier, to enjoy additional rewards, head over to their perks, and then you will be able to read about the details that I told you earlier and much more about how you can actually enjoy getting free money by taking part in this competition. So for summary, if you want to take part of this incredible competition, the KCGI competition, make sure to head over to their website by clicking the link down below. And as I said, you will be able to get discount of 15% on trading fees, and that way to use your money to actually maximize your profits, hopefully. Now make sure that in order that you will be able to compete and maximize your chances to succeed, make sure that you're reading all the rules in order that you won't be disqualified. So if you're individual competition, so you can actually scroll down as I showed you earlier, and then you will be able to see the competition rules, whether it's on the requirements, whether it's to how to sign up that I showed you in a few minutes ago, and also the limits and about the reward pool distribution, and also about the details, because the details are very important, especially if you're kind of a beginner or if it's your first competition that you're going to take part of. Make sure that you're taking the time to read in order to, as I said, enjoy the benefits of taking part of this incredible opportunity to win rewards while you're enjoying trading. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.